Going over to check in Joel Pot and see what's going on there. Wow, curry duck and rice. I'm gonna eat now. Hey, I like that. I really like that, people. What you say? Yeah. Yeah. No, that's good because the rice really hot. I like this basmati rice. It's basmati. Long grain. Very nice. Alright. Let's do the same spoon. Let's do a different spoon. Different spoon. Oh, it have plenty pepper in it, Bob? Tastes good? It's soft? Oh, and how it tastes with the, as it burn, the skin nice and smoky? Yeah. That. So it's early now. What game this is? Well, drama. This is just our life. Well. Curry duck recipe. If you want the curry duck recipe, people, send me a message. We will send it to you. But it's really delish. Really delish. And yes, it have banana. Because we got banana over here, we got pepper over here. Alright, gotta go. Catch you next time. Because people what? Oh, got it. It's real good. And the curry is so smooth. Real good. This is my second round, you know. Second round. I'm eating it with my hand.
Here we go. Twice daily is headline for the U.S. Because it gets so soft so fast. Keep that done. I could fry it up. And then add fresh water so you can use the fresh water.
Yeah.
Have no fresh water.
Yeah.
And it cooks so
It's awful.
yes, so I could stir fry it up.
It's real good. And have pepper in it, but the pepper tasty. But you're real feeling for pepper is good. Like you're pregnant or what? Alright people, we're going for a walk because with all that curry that I just ate, so delicious that I had 2 rounds. So we need to walk it off, people. So we are going to see, let's just shift the camera here. This is phase 3 that's taking place here. And as you can see in the distance, the sun is going to set. What's the time now, babe?
20 minutes to
20 to 10. The sun is still up here. Shopping right across the road. Loving it. It's a little cooler now, eh? During the day was what, 26 Celsius?
Yeah.
What's the temperature
Got
now?
like a heat warning out here.
Now is what you said?
22.
22. Might have that little chilly wind there for 22. Huh? Feeling a little cooler than that. And so many times we saw the aurora borealis, huh?
Yeah.
Especially when you see that sky pink. Huh. Then you could suspect or a certain blue tinge in the sky. You could suspect, well, you will see the northern lights. However, it's a seasonal thing. You know that? You know the northern lights is seasonal?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, remember we were as- assessing that the fall and spring
Yeah, correct.
be the main times, so
Good process.
wait.
Alright.
Our bonus tonight is
Oh, yeah, yeah. Here we are.
2.23 level. Small chance of seeing it.
Okay, which is next to nothing really.
Yeah, 0% chance.
Yeah, not the season for it. Look at these nice windmills here. A little preschool on the side. And stuff on the ground. Yeah, nice. $9 watermelon. What is this area?
Raspberry yogurt.
Oh, raspberry yogurt. Oh. This is good. I love this guy. I do. I really love this guy. It's good alkaline for your system as well. Oh boy. I have something special to show you guys. Check this out. You have all your seafood stuff here, and on the other side, live lobster. But that's not it. This is what I want to show you. Dry aged beef. Woo. You know in Alberta, that's where you get the best beef. Best organic beef. You know that. Because, you know, this is cow country. That's what it is. And then you could get grass-fed cow and even those healthy eggs. Not those farm eggs that have imitation yolk and stuff like that. Lots of good stuff around. Good stuff here in Alberta, people. Beef stir fry, $8.41. Not a bad price. You could buy this. That will feed 2 people for sure. Let's check this baby. Ooh, $18.95. Still not a bad price. And it is sirloin strip roast. Real seasoned up and stuff here, you know, people. Real good. And now on sale too. See? Real good stuff here. Alright, we are heading home. Whoa! Look at that sunset. Super. And check these clouds. Really fabulous. Catch you on my next video. Bye.